One of the questions we get asked a lot at planDisney is, what are the best places for kids to let out energy at Disneyland?
And today, we're going to show you.
From climbing through caves and crossing bridges on Pirate's Lair to sliding and playing in Mickey's Toontown, there are plenty of spots perfect for little ones to explore and get their wiggles out.
And when it's time to slow down, parents, you get it. We'll even share a few hidden gem areas where families can relax and recharge.
Hey, ask planDisney.
We're at Pirate's Lair on Tom Sawyer Island. There's some pirate treasure for kids to explore, all these different winding paths and caves, and my kids love it here, and they can spend probably a couple hours just because it gives them a chance to explore.
And one of my favorite things is you have to take a raft over, which already feels like a little different kind of experience right here at Disneyland. If you've got a really brave little one, they might want to check out Dead Man's Grotto, which I heard is haunted.
Just a little bit, but it's
just a little bit.
It's so
happy
much
haunts,
fun.
Happy haunts. Okay.
Yeah, no wonder why my kids like this. It's crazy.
Don't let your boots get wet. All right, you almost got it.
I did it. That was a little workout.
Yeah, it was. That was fun. Do your kids like Redwood Creek Challenge Trail at Disney's California Adventure?
They could spend hours there.
I
The
know.
ropes trail, there's like that rock slide, the tree slide. Yeah, that's another gem for us.
I know. It really feels like you were transported into a redwood forest, and so it's like
Yeah.
nice and shady.
There's that lawn in downtown Disney too. And my kids love to run, jump, play. There's little hills, so they'll like try to roll down the hills too.
Yeah, sometimes there's live music.
Yes.
Kids are encouraged to dance and play.
Yeah.
Always look at those with the entertainment schedule.
One of my kids' favorite places is Goofy's How to Play Yard in Mickey's Toontown. Should we go check it out?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Let's go. We love this bridge right here. It's really cool when you get on it, it makes sound. So of course my kids will hop on.
There's a lot of interactive experiences here, really a lot for them to play with and explore their curiosity. It's a great spot for kids to explore and really kind of get to be on their own and a little bit independent too.
That means a lot because when kids are waiting in line or in the strollers, they want to kind of be part of the adventure and make some decisions. So Mickey's Toontown was really designed for them to just explore and see what pulls what, and I think that's why my kids love it so much. So the play area is awesome, but I really love the rest of Toontown as well. My kids have so much fun exploring here. This phone here, if you pick it up, someone's on the other line. There's really cool photo opportunities, buildings to explore. My kids have so much fun here. We can spend so much time because there's so much to see and do.
Sometimes we both know as moms, they need a beat to take a little bit of a break out of the sun, out of the hustle and bustle. And my family has a secret spot that we love to go to during those times. You want to check it out?
Yes, yeah, let's go.
It's my family's favorite little spot. It's nestled right between Matterhorn bobsleds, and it's a small world. It's covered, it's over the water, it's really relaxing, and you can usually always find tables and chairs to just take a nice relaxing beat.
Hi. I'm sorry I don't have food. Oh, she's gone. Oh, and there it is, monorail. Speaking of the monorail, that's also one of the places my family and I like to go when our kids just need a break. There's the Disneyland Railroad, the monorail. It's a small world. There's some longer attractions that give you a chance to rest your feet. They're out of the sun, and it's a really good place for them to recharge too.
After taking a little spin on Chip 'n Dale's Gadget Coaster, there's a really quiet area tucked in the back.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Which is really nice. We grab like a sweet treat and we just head back there and we get a second wind to keep going.
Thanks for joining us in this video where we showed you all the cool places you could take your kids at Disneyland to recharge and get some energy out too.
And if you have any more questions, come to planDisney.com and ask us.